Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Kia Sportage GT-Line. This car comes with a 1.6 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 174 brake horsepower and returning up to 32 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 22 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 29,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is the metallic blue flame and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've also got the nice clean interior. Being the GT line, you get a high level of specification. So the seats are leather and the front seats are also heated. There's a big armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on your driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The Sportage has always been a popular car for families, and opening the rear doors shows why. You've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have a couple of charging ports there in the centre, and the outer seats are also heated, so that's nice to see, quite rare on cars as standard. And this car also has the original carpet floor mats from Kia too. Open the tailgate reveals a nice good sized boot there, with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. It's always nice to see that the previous owner also put a floor protector in as well to look after the boot area. And underneath the boot floor, you've also got a space saver wheel as well, so that's great to see. Not often you see those on cars these days. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 4 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.